Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely creative because in this video I'm going to share a very beautiful and creative design ideas of laknavi embroidery, chikankari dresses, of seam fabric embroidery design ideas, and that how you can design your chiffon dresses, how you can look classy, stylish, and a purely designer style delicate look of Eastern dresses. Friends, those who are lovers of one color embroidery or a same color embroidery on the fabric, then this video collection is absolutely for you. In other words, we term this embroidery pattern as a solid embroidery pattern. So the same color embroidery patterns are absolutely for these methods. So all of these are highly trendy Indian designer style patterns. You can also give a beautiful touch by using the art of mirror work as well. So if you really like these design ideas, these design patterns, then please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my latest upcoming updates and videos. You can pair up these chikankari shirts, kurtis along with your chikankari or chikan pajamas, churidars, tights, and capris as well. So stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.